Welcome to Cutlery & More, the basics of how to use and care for your quality kitchen knives. At Cutlery & More, we have over 1,500 kitchen knives available on the website for a variety of users. First time kitchen knife purchase? We have the knife for you. Looking for a high quality handmade Japanese kitchen knife? We have the knife for you. Today, you'll learn how to best take care of your quality kitchen knife. Before thinking about how to use your kitchen knife, it is important to remember that the cutting surface you use is just as important as a proper cutting technique. Never use stone, glass, or bamboo as they will prematurely dull the edge of your knife and may even lead to it chipping. Instead, opt for wooden cutting boards or high-quality synthetic rubber cutting boards. Never tweak your knife when going through food, especially dense produce like sweet potato or squash. Instead, when your knife gets stuck, pull it straight up and try again, using your free hand over the heel of the knife to drive more weight downwards. Do not scrape your knife on the board, cut frozen food, and definitely don't cut through bones. This will be particularly important when thinner knives or harder steeled knives where improper cutting technique will undoubtedly lead to edge dulling of your knives and worse, chipping. When using a carbon steel knife, make sure you wipe the blade if walking away from the cutting board. When you're done using your kitchen knife, remember to wash them under hot water. If food is stuck on the blade, you can use a little soap and sponge, but never the rough side of a sponge. The reason we want to use hot water is in the instance we miss drying a single drop of water or two on the blade. It should hopefully evaporate before leading to rust on the blade. Even a stainless knife can rust, as it is stainless, not stain-proof. Carbon steel knives, even when properly cleaned and dried, will form a thin film over the blade we call patina. Patina is a form of non-destructive rust, a reaction within the steel which protects against the more harmful corrosive rust which eats away at your knife. Patina is normal and to be expected with carbon steel knives. Lastly, when your food prep work is done and your kitchen knives clean, remember to store them properly. Never store your knives in a drawer unprotected, as it becomes a serious cutting hazard to yourself and anyone else in the household. Your knife edge will also be exposed to banging against other objects, dulling it faster and even chipping it. Instead, if you're going to store it in a drawer, consider using an adequately sized blade guard or sheath. A more suitable solution to the drawer might be a knife block if your stainless steel knives came with one, or better yet, a magnetic knife block which is easy on the eyes and safe for your knife edge. As a last resort, if none of these knife storage solutions please you, one option is to just put it back in its original box. As important as knife use is knife maintenance. Proper maintenance of a quality kitchen knife ensures it stays sharp longer, avoids chips getting larger, and overall increases the performance time of your knife. In short, a honing steel and leather strap helps realign your knife edge, keeping it performing at its best. And of course, whetstone sharpening to remove any chips that may have formed or make your knife sharp again. You can now basically consider yourself armed with the proper basic kitchen knife knowledge to safely use your kitchen knives. If you enjoyed this content, please remember to like and subscribe to this channel, hit that bell button to keep up to date with all our offerings, and if you have questions that weren't answered in this video, or there's a specific piece of content you would like us to make, let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for joining us, and happy cooking!